Exposing the hidden talents in your backyard. Chickens are not just egg layers, folks. They're secret entertainers. Meet Cluck Norris, the feathered daredevil. This guy can jump higher than your average cat. And here's Lady Bork Bork, the lead singer of the Coop's morning choir. She's got some serious pipes. But wait, it gets better. Ever seen chickens play soccer? Well, meet the Peckham United FC. These hens have footwork that would make Ronaldo jealous. And let's not forget about their fashion sense. Say hello to Chickonsee, strutting her stuff down the Coop's runway. Who knew feathers could be so fabulous? So, next time you see chickens, remember, they're more than just breakfast providers. They're the real stars of the barnyard. Cluck on, my friends, cluck on.